Hello, dear brothers and sisters. I'm very happy that I can say to you how thankful I am for your support. I continue to serve on God's field and to share the good news with people. I participate in evangelistic campaigns and teach the young people in my local Bujanovsky congregation. Thank you for your generosity and your love for God. I want to share with you what God had done for me, and I think you will understand my feelings and why I want to serve God and do anything I possibly can for Him. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the time when I met God and what happened to me before that. When I was a child, there was a period of time when I lived without my parents, and it was a very difficult time, and I wasn't happy. It was hard because I didn't have my mom or my dad with me. There was time when I would go hungry, me and my little brother, who was 5 years younger than me, and of whom I took care of because I was older. I was like a father to him. It was hard, and I didn't know who to ask for help. I didn't know to who I can complain, or who would support me, who would give me some food, or at least say a kind word to me. There was no one like that around. I was struggling, and that continued until I turned 12. But at 12, my life drastically changed. I met the Lord. I came to the church for the first time. So everything that was before that, I left behind. The dark period came to an end. And now I try to do my best to serve the Lord. I love God because He helped me even when I didn't know Him. He took care of me when I thought that I didn't need Him. There were moments when me and my brother would stay home all alone for days. I was 8 and he was 3. We were so scared, so afraid. We would stay alone for 2 or 3 days hungry. But going through all of that motivates me now to want to help the young people who have gone through similar things in their lives, especially the orphans. I want them to know that God is calling them, and I want so much for them to respond and to get to know Him, because He will always love them, and He will always take care of them. God's Word says, "What mother would abandon her child? But even if she does, the Lord will not." Isaiah is saying that God will never abandon us, and He will always take care of us, His children. Thank you so much for being a part in that ministry.